Florida, being from Brazil, I see a lot of Hispanics and Latin population in my office. Also, Florida is very, very big for African Americans. There's a lot of mixture races here. And so I come across every type of ethnic hair that there is. Asian hair, African American hair, Caucasian hair. So they all require a slightly different approach. Not every hair is the same. So you need to vary sometimes your incision sites, the size of it to accommodate the hairs, how you harvest the hairs must be also taken into account. And frankly, ethnically, people sometimes have different hairlines, they have different scalp configurations or skull configurations, so you have to account for all that when you design your surgery. Also expectations. Some ethnic groups are much more in tune of what their hairlines are, so they want usually a lower, more aggressive hairline. Some don't. The ethnic type of hair loss or treatment has to be customized to the patients. The most challenging technically to do is the African American hair because it's really curly. However, the African American hair is the one that provides the best results. Nice coverage, nice density with less surgery. So it's a give and take.